हेलो व्यूअर्स, स्वागत है आपका टी जनरल न्यूज चैनल में। और मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ रोबोटिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर के रिलेटेड टॉप 8 न्यूज, जो कि फर्स्ट है, दिस फ्यूचर रोबोट मेड बाय कार्टेज कैन फ्लाई। वी हैव ऑल heard about smart drones and robots that climb up mountains, but the future of robotics combines drones that come with legs. Basically, robots that can fly, or drones that comes with legs. Carthage Center for Autonomous Systems and Technologies team has developed a new robot called Leonardo, which stands for legs on board drone. This robot can walk, sled, climb, hop, and even ride a skateboard. According to Carthage, Leonardo is the first robot that uses multi-joint legs and proper blast thruster to get better control over its balance. By using a hybrid movement that is somewhere between walking and flying, the researchers get the best of both worlds in terms of locomotion. Leo lightweight legs take stress of its thruster by supporting the bulk of the weight, but because the thruster are controlled with leg joint, Leo has unequal balance, according to Carthage. Second is, this robotics good provides why Japan is living in the future. Consider the again population of Japan. Kawasaki heavy industry created robot named Specs that looks like a boat, which can be used to carry load and humans can ride them too. The base robot by Kawasaki heavy industry can be used for harming moving cargo and more. It has 4 wheels along with legs, so you can drive it on smooth road and also ride it around a even surface like hills, farmlands, etc. First, we are assuming light payload, such as transporting materials in a construction site. We are currently conducting the development with the target of 100 kg maximum payload, said the company. Other possible use cases for conducting inspection, where it can be used to patrol around the vast area of a plant and to check the current state of measure instrument by checking the camera image for a remote location. Another possible method of use would be for waste to transport the crops that people have harvested of agriculture land, the company added. Third is, not just metal. Bosnia's first robots rock musicals at electrifying touch. Bosnia is most popular rock band. Dubioza Collective has a new recruit who sings and plays musical instruments. A humanoid robot called Robbie Mega 5. Student for Sarajevo University's Electrical Engineering School agreed to invite Robbie after the band requested a robot designed to fit the concept of their album Fake News, which was released last year. Our robots like to eat, drink, shoot. He likes music, said veteran music geek. The band bass guitar players who was mostly involved in designing the concept of Robbie. In a video clip for the Fake News album, one band member thinks it would be fun to have a robot do his work will he relax and has fun. So he order one and assemble it. Every little thing is under machine of control. Robbie sings a song called "Take My Job Away." The message about evil artificial intelligence which takes job away from goods people. It intended to be irony. Music said on one of the students who helped build the robot used in the album. Almir Basic said the project and he been a challenge because they knew nothing at first about the 3D printing needed to build the robot and lacked the necessary equipment. Artificial intelligent robots and 3D printing, how technology is helping the healthcare industry in India. In the contemporary world, technology plays a crucial role in transforming the way we do business and lead business on a path of development. Similar to the description caused by technology in education, e-commerce, finance, among many others, it is also driving major innovation in the healthcare industry. Technology has assisted the field with an evidence of progress in the term of treatments, diagnosis, and medicine devices. It has resulted in saving and improving countless lives all across the world. Healthcare sector in India is growing at a rapid pace and is also undergoing multiple technological advertisement. According to IBEF, the hospital industry is expected to raise to rupees 8.6 trillion by FY22 from rupees 4 trillion in FY17, growing at a CAGR of 16-17%. Further, technological advertisement in the delivery process have also resulted in the increasement of average lifespan from 62 to 67 for males and from 64 to 70 for females over the last decade. Indian robotics from Adverb Technology expands use footprint. Leading homegrown robotics company Adverb Technology in Thursday announced expansion plan for the US market with appointing Mark Mission as CEO for its US operations. The expansion comes on the heels of Reliance Industries Limited investing up to $132 million in the company to enable Adverb set up the biggest robotic manufacturing facility at a single location. Messina, who has worked with organizations like Philips, Amazon Robotics and others, will be assisted by Luke Lee, who joined as head of marketing Americas. The company said in a statement, "So far we have witnessed a strong appetite for robotic solutions in every international market. We have ventured into the expected similar response for the US that caters to the world's largest consumer market," said Sangeet Kumar, CEO Adverb Technologies. The company will also participate in MODEX, a primary supply chain event, the Atlanta Georgia for March 28 to 31. The US want to use robots dogs to guard its border. border. The United States is looking at a new types of soldier to guard its border, robot dog. The Department of Homeland Security's said that the U.S. Customer and Border Protection is testing robot dogs to keep an eye on its southern border. The guard robot dogs are usually made for border surveillance only, and we are still at least a few years away from seeing robot dogs shooting guns. According to a statement by the DHS, the goal of the program is the leverage technology to force multiply the CBP presence as well as reduce human exposure to life-threatening hazards. The DHS, however, did not share any timeline for these trials and when these robot dogs will actually be deployed officially. The southern border can be an in-hospital place for man and beds, and that is exactly why a machine may actually there. This S&T-led integrative focus on automatic ground surveillance vehicle, or what we call AGSVs. Essentially, the AGSV program is all about robot dogs, said S&T program manager Brenda Long. According to Gavin Kennelly, the chief product offers at Ghost Robotics. The robot dogs weigh 100 pounds and it was bred for exactly the type of work that CBP need done. For this annual Ghost Robotics competition with Boston Dynamics, which is known for its sport robot dogs. 7. After Boston Dynamics robot dogs comes Kawasaki Robotics got and its terrific. The advertisement is artificial intelligence led to the introduction of humanized robots, machines that resemble humans. They can robot which resemble animals. A robotic dog from Boston Dynamics makes headline quite often. Sometimes for dynasty like Mick Jagger, and sometimes for helpline out in a mill. However, now it's time for a robot god from Japan to steal the show. A Japanese company named Kawasaki Heavy Industry Limited has come up with the world's largest robotic board, which can also be ridden like a real horse. Kawasaki has presented this robotic god named Bex at the International Robot Exhibition 2022. The robotic god Bex is named after Ulrich Bex, a wild goat found in Eurasia and Africa. With robotic goat can bear about 1 quintal weight, which include both goats and humans. Its upper part is modular. Since legs goats are known for their ability to climb and descend mountains, so can Bex. It is also stronger than the average goat, although it is not clever. The robotic goat has a long neck and horns that light up as it moves, as seen in the Kawasaki Bex demo video. It was sidebars and lengthy legs that when lowered sport wheels. Last day 8. Robotics automation can become as big as Indian IT boom in 2000 years. UiPath Indian CEO Robotics and automation can be India's next big industry boom as a scale that can match the famous boom in information technology and business process outsourcing service in 2008. According to Raghunath Subramania, President and Chief Executive Officer of UiPath India, speaking to New 18 at the sideline of the 3-day competition workshop festival Technosian 2019. Subramania stated if India embraces this opportunity properly and include robotics into the education curriculum, there is a massive boom waiting to happen. This is similar to Estonia's like Indians IT and BPO boom, and actually given as a opportunity on our hand. He further added, digital transformation is taking over our world, and RPA is the true operating system for our digital transformation. For it to function properly, a large talented workforce is necessary. Such volumes of talented workforce can only come from India.